Today we are going to see how you can create an e-commerce mobile app from scratch. So after watching this video, you'll be able to create a mobile app like this without any coding. Now to create an app, we're going to use a platform called Adalo, which lets you build different kinds of apps. In this video, we'll be creating an e-commerce app like this, where you can add your products and anyone who's visiting your app can order your products just by clicking here. Now if the visitor fills up these details and makes the payment, their order will be placed. And when someone places the order, you will receive a mail in your inbox with the order details like this. Okay, next we will also see how you can customize your app to any style you want. Now the app which we are going to create is a native app, which means it's fast in loading and doesn't have a delay time like a web browser. Now the best part is you'll be able to publish your app on both Play Store and App Store, and you can also update your app whenever you want. Okay, creating an app for your business is very important to reach more customers, and it'll also help you stand out from your competitors and build your brand image. Now before we move on to the video, I've got a message for you. Now this video is not sponsored. Let's get started. Now to create a mobile app, we are going to do 5 steps. The first step is to create an account on Adalo. This is the site which is going to help us create our mobile app. So to create an account, now click Get Started. Fill up these details. Then click here. Okay, next you need to select what type of app you want to create. As I want to create a mobile app, I'm going to select this. Click Next. And here you will find ready-made app templates which you can use to create your app. As we are going to create the app from scratch, let's select this. Click Next. Now give a name for your app here. I'm going to enter Food Aisle. And if you want, you can change the app color from here. We'll see how you can do that later in this video. And finally, click Create. Okay, so now we have successfully created an account on Adalo. And here you can see that by default, the sign up page, login page and the home page is created. So once you've created your account, now in the home page, you can display the products which you are going to sell on your app. So to do that, let's go to step 2, which is to create our products. To create our products, we are going to open a collection. A collection is nothing but your product information, like your product name, product price, product description, etc. So once you open a collection, it'll look like this, and here you can create your products. Okay, so to open the collection, just click here and click Add Collection. Now here, enter a name for your collection. As I'm going to create a food app, I'm going to enter food items, click Add, and a collection will be added here. Now to open our collection, let's add our product information, that is the product name, product price and the product description. As you can see here, the name field has been created by default. So let's add the other fields we want. Click Add Property. Now to add the product image, just click Image. Then enter the name as the item image. And click Save. Now to add the price of the product, like we did before, let's click Add Property. Then click Number. Enter item price. And click Save. Okay, now in the same way, you can add all the other properties, and all these details about your products will be stored under the collection Food Items. Once you've added the fields, click Records. And as you can see, we have now opened a collection. So now we can go ahead and create our products. To do that, click Add Food Item. And here, enter the product name. Now to add the product image, click here. Select the image you want to add. I'm going to select this. Click Open. And as you can see, the image has been added. Now enter its price. Then enter the description about your product. And then click Save. And your product will be created. Now in the same way, you can create all the other products. Okay, so now we successfully created our products. And click Done. Once we've created the products, next let's go to step 3, which is to display these products on our homepage. So to display these products, first we need to select a layout in which we can display the products. So to select it, just click this icon. Then go to lists. And here you can see different types of layouts in which you can add your products. You can choose any layout you want. I'm going to select this. So just drag this and drop it here. And we've got a layout for our products. As you can see, the layout is blank by default. So to display our products here, just click here. And you can see we've got the food items collection which we created before. So let's select food items. And as soon as you select food items, here you can see that the title has been changed to food item name. So now our food item name will be displayed here. Okay, now instead of this text, let's say you want to display the price of your food item here. To do that, click subtitle. Now enter your currency symbol first. So let's open a new tab and search for the currency symbol you want. I'm going to search for dollar symbol. Now just copy this symbol. Go back to this tab, then paste it here. Now to display the price of the food item, click here and select item price. And now the product price will be displayed. Next, to display the description about your food item, select this. Now remove this text, then click here and select the item description. Now our products will be added to the home page. Once you're done, next, let's see the preview of our home page. So click preview. Now as soon as you open the app, it'll ask you to create an account. So let's fill up these details and click sign up. Here you can see that we have got the products on our home page which we added. So now we have successfully added the products to our home page. Once you've done that, now how will your customers buy the products from your app? So to let your customers to order your products, we need to add an order now button like this. Let's close this and enable the first button option. Here you can enter any name you want for your button. I'm going to enter order now. Now if we click preview, you can see that the button has been added. Okay, once you've added the button, now if the customer clicks on this order now button, you want to take them to the cart page like this, where you can display the order details which your customer has ordered and collect the details of your customer's address and add a payment option like this. So next, let's go to step 4, where we can see how we can create a My Cart page like this. So to create it, first you need to add a new page. To do that, let's close this. Now click here and click Add Screen. Now here, select the screen you want. I'm going to select this. Now here, enter the name for your page. I'm going to enter My Cart and then click Create. As you can see, the My Cart page has been added. Okay, once you've added it, so next, let's see how you can link this button with the My Cart page. To do that, just click the button, then click first button. Now scroll down and click Add Action. Then go to Link. Here you can see the My Cart page we created. So just click on it and the My Cart page will be linked to the button. Okay, once you've done that, now to add the order details like this, click here and drag this text element and drop it here. Now to display the order details like this, first, let's type your order. And to get the food item name, just click here. Then go to current food items, then click item name. And the product name will be displayed here. Now to get the food item price, type the message you want. Now like we did before, paste the currency symbol here. Now click here. Then go to current food items and click item price. Now to add the food item image, click here. and drag this element and drop it here. Now you can resize the image by dragging here. Now to get the food item image, click here, go to database, then go to current food item, click item image, and the food item image will be added. Okay, once you're done, now to see how it works, click preview and click order now on any product. You can see that we have got the details of the order we selected. Okay, now to get the customer address to deliver the food item, we are going to add a form like this. So to do that, first we need to create a property to store the address details of the customer so that when the customer completes their payment, the address will be saved under that property. So to create the property, just click here. Here you can see that the user's collection is already there. And when a user signs up on your app, it gets stored in this collection. So we need to add the address property inside this collection. So click users and then click add property. Now click text. Now here enter address and click save. Once you've created the property, let's add the address form. First, let's add a heading like this. Just click here, drag this element and drop it here. Now click here and enter the text you want. I'm going to enter your address. Now to add the address form, click here and click forms and fields. You can use these options to create your form. Now drag this text input element and drop it here. Now go here, click this pencil icon, then give a name for this field and click done. Now enter a text you want inside this field. I'm going to enter street address. Now to add another field here, let's click this field, press Ctrl C and then click Ctrl V and a new field will be created. So just drag this and drop it below, and like we did before, change the field name here. Then click done. Now to enter the text inside the field, click here and enter the text you want inside this box. In the same way, you can add other fields. Okay, so now we have added the address form. To check it, let's click preview. And if you click order now on any product, you can see that we have got the address form. Once you're done, now in order to allow your customers to make payment on your app when they purchase a product, you need to set up a payment method. Now we are going to use Stripe, which is a popular payment method. Next, let's see how you can add Stripe payment to your mobile app. So to do that, first you need to create an account on Stripe. Once you create your Stripe account, you will be able to receive payments directly to your bank account when someone purchases a product from your app. So to create a Stripe account, let's open a new tab and search for stripe.com. And it will take you to the Stripe website. Now to create an account, just click Start Now. Then fill up these details and click Create Account. So now we have successfully created a Stripe account. Once you have created your account, in order to use your account, you need to first verify your email address. So to verify your email address, you need to click the verification link which was sent to your email. So to do that, just click Open Gmail. Now this is the inbox of the email which you entered while creating your Stripe account. So once you go to your inbox, you can see that we have got a verification link. So let's open it and click Verify. And as you can see, we have successfully verified our email address. Once you verify your email, now in order to receive payments from this account, you need to activate your Stripe account. So to activate the account, let's click Activate. Here enter your details and click Continue. Then enter your business details. So just click here and select your industry type. As my app is based on food,